This top, I got this from TikTok. Mahilig mag-shop dyan sa TikTok shop. It would be nice kung ma-approve tayo sa TikTok Pay Later. Which is legit kasi yung provider niya ay legit naman. Dyan din si Atome. Kaya dapat pag-usapan natin to guys, si TikTok Pay Later, because you can get credits up to 50,000 pesos. No down payment siya if paid within 45 days. You can choose to pay in 12 monthly installments. O, di ba bongga? So, paano i-activate? Paano magkaroon? Then, keep watching. Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. It's Ate Red here. And of course, dahil utang online tong si TikTok Pay Later, hindi natin siya palalagpasin dito sa channel. And that's the only reason kung bakit ako may TikTok. Dahil ni-recommend nyo sa akin tong TikTok Pay Later na i-review ko guys. It took months. Naghintay ako ng months para magkaroon ng offer ng TikTok Pay Later. So kung na-approve ako, I will let you know in the end of this video. But before anything else, please consider subscribing to this channel guys, because like I said, mga utang online yung mga pinag-uusapan natin dito at hindi natin palalampasin to si TikTok Pay Later, which wala lang. Just keep watching guys. Shout out muna sa ating mga avid followers dyan. Shout out sa kay Christina GP5TQ from Cavite. Also shout out sa kay Don't Me 5004. And of course, thank you so much sa mga channel members natin dito. Thank you so much for the love and support you continuously give this channel. Hindi naman po required na maging member. But of course, you're all welcome to subscribe and watch my videos kahit hindi kayo maging member, because yung layunin ko naman is meron kayong matutunan, tamang expectations about mga pautangan online. So moving back to this TikTok Pay Later na platform, this service is offered through the TikTok shop. So makikita nyo kung may offer na kayo kasi andun po siya sa taas. And then ikiklik nyo po yan at makikita nyo that it can offer up to 50,000 pesos na TikTok Pay Later credits. Hindi mo kailangan mag-down payment kung 45 days lang, pero you can also pay up to 12 months. And then fast approval daw. So, activate daw in 2 steps. Kailangan mo lang i-verify yung phone number mo and then add your information. Binigay ko po yung aking phone number. And then I click next. Nagpadala po siya ng verification. At doon po ako guys nabigla dahil yung verification ay nanggaling kay Atome. Oh my God. As you can see guys, parang ayaw ni Atome sa akin. Hindi kita titigilan, Atome. Kaya yun, nag-continue pa rin ako guys pagkatapos kong magbigay ng aking TikTok Pay Later is provided by Neuron Credit Financing Incorporated, Atome PH, SEC registration, blah, 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 blah. So, pag nag-apply ka dito, of course, nag-agree ka sa terms and conditions ni Atome. Atome, ba, kayo naman dyan. Pero parang ayaw niya sa akin. Kaya guys, let's proceed na lang ha. Kasi baka ma-approve kayo, kaya panoorin yung process. I-click mo yung continue and mag-create ka ng PIN. Uulitin mo yan. And then, pagkatapos nun, ayan, may one more step pa kasi, di ba, step 1, magve-verify ka ng phone number mo, and step 2, magpro-provide ka ng information mo like everybody does when nag-a-apply tayo sa mga online loan platform. Personal issues aside, okay naman guys si Atome. Yun nga lang, parang ayaw niya sa akin. Kaya let's continue. So, ayun, add your information. Sinabi niya naman niya na up to 50,000 pesos na down payment required. Of course, kung short term lang, ikiklik mo lang yung continue at ihanda na yung mga IDs na ito. So, ayan mga beshies, yung IDs na tinatanggap nyo is PhilSys ID, PRC, driver's license, passport, UMID, TIN, Postal ID, and SSS. Yung mga recommended ID types niya is PhilSys, PRC, driver's license. Yung ginamit ko ay PhilSys kasi tad na po yung driver's license ko doon sa kaka-apply and reapply sa Atomic Card with no success. Kaya sabi ko baka naman ma-approve ako this time kung PhilSys yung gagamitin ko. So, I click continue pagkatapos kong ma-check yung PhilSys and then yung start verification na kasi pipicturan nyo po yan. So, this process is designed to verify your identity and protect you from identity theft. Mukhang secure, but I don't know. Feeling ko lang yon. So, this page will expire. So, do not proceed kung hindi kayo ready, mga guys. Kasi nag-e-expire po siya. And you might have to do it again or meron siyang cool-off period, diba? So, only proceed kung kompleto or ready ka na. Instructions is part of the test. When you click start, then pipicturan mo yung front ng ID card mo. And then, hihingi po siya ng permission na ma-access yung media, yung camera ng phone mo. And then, of course, i-click mo yung allow. Meron kang checklist dyan. And in case hindi po maganda yung pagkakakuha mo ng ID mo, then you have the opportunity to do it again. I-click mo yung retake. Just make sure na maliwanag, capture lahat ng details, kasi pag blurred, baka hindi ka ma-approve, di ba? If you think you're okay na, yung next na pipicturean mo dyan is the back of your ID and it's the same thing. Pagkatapos po, just need to make sure na tama yung lahat ng na-capture niyang information and also supply the missing information. Okay, review lang po kasi ang laki po ng factor ng sa approval kapag accurate yung information. So, wrong spelling is wrong here. Ayan. So, i-click mo yung continue if you are confident na tama yung lahat ng information na na-provide mo. Hindi na po siya hihingi ng mga documents kasi yun nga, magka-credit check naman siya eh. I-click mo lang yun confirm and then mag-proceed po siya sa liveliness check. And then mayroon instructions on screen and susundin mo yan pagkatapos mong bigyan ng access yung AI sa pagkuha ng liveliness check. And then click allow and then additional information required na. So, click mo yung continue and then of course, isusupply mo yung mga missing information such as your occupation, your pay period, your address, your emergency contacts. Isa lang po yung emergency contact reference yung hihingin niya. Hindi na po siya hihingi ng payslip because I believe kasi itong si Neuron Financing is an accessing entity din sa CIC. So, nagka-credit check siya. So, dyan, sa mga may mga hindi maganda yung credit history dyan, ako lagot. Moving on, ayun, yung sa occupation, ito po yung mga choices. And then industry, yun din, pipiliin mo rin yung monthly, yung range ng monthly income mo. And just make sure na lahat ng blanks there ay na-fill out mo. Of course, hindi na siya hihingi ng Facebook dahil meron na siyang access sa TikTok mo, diba? That's just a joke. I-click mo lang yung continue pagkatapos mong i-supply yung lahat ng information na yan and then pipiliin mo yung prepayment due date mo. Of course, choose wisely. Any purchase made in the last 14 days will be scheduled for repayment in the next month. And then just click continue under the registration number na dinisplay nyo doon and reviewing credit na. And I knew it. I knew it, guys, na basta si Atome, hindi talaga ako maa-approve. Ewan ko bakit, pero I swear, hindi ko siya titigilan. I think meron ako mas mataas na chance na ma-approve kung si One Hand yung nag-offer ng TikTok Pay Later sa akin. But since it's Atome, alam ko na from the start pa lang, guys, alam ko na hindi ako pasado dito. So, ayun, because hindi po ako na-approve ni Atome Credit para dito sa TikTok Pay Later ko, try again after October 16, 2024 now. Yun din yung nangyari dati sa last pay later ko eh. Kasi nung si Atomic Credit yung nag-offer ng last pay later sa akin, hindi talaga ako guys ma-approve. After 1 month, at least si CIMB na yung nag-offer. Kaya yun, na-approve ako. I think lang ha, and something big is happening this October and it has something to do with One Hand guys. I think kung si One Hand yung nag-offer sa akin, mas may chance na ma-approve po ako. So Atome, Becky naman. Hindi naman ako galit, guys. So, I hope meron kayo natutunan sa video na to. And good luck sa inyo. I hope ma-approve kayo. Kasi ako dito kay Atome, hindi po ako approve. Si Mami Yam, sabi niya, One Hand daw yung provider. Kaya, yon sana si One Hand din yung sa akin. Pero bakit si Atome pa kasi? Anyway, guys, balitaan ko kayo kung eventually na-approve nga ako dito or nag-change ba. But for now, kung gusto nyo i-follow yung TikTok ko, although I don't really like the platform so much. This is my TikTok account, guys. At hindi po ako nagpapaloan. So if you see any other social media channels na nagsasabi, nag-aalok ng loan at ginagamit yung mukha ko, then that's not me. Hindi po ako nagpapautang, mga guys. So I hope you learned something from this video. And as usual, I hope meron kayo natutunan. And thank you so much for watching. See you on my next vlog. Bye!